How to make your video landscape in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can make your video landscape in Capcut PC, so let's dive in. So first you have to open your Capcut app and click create project. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this Capcut window, and here you have to just import or drag and drop videos, photos and audio files that you want to work on. Just click this or you can click import over here. Now, once you have your video or the photo or any project that you want to work on, click this plus sign to add it to this timeline over here. And now you have to simply come to this ratio option over here. Just click this ratio option over here, and here you have to choose the landscape orientation. You can see you have this landscape orientation of 16:9, and then you have this 2.35:1, and then you have this 2:1, and then you have this 1.85:1. And then you can also make a custom one by clicking custom over here and just choose a landscape orientation and make it. In my case, I'm going to go with the 16:9 orientation. And once you do so, it's going to automatically go into the landscape. For example, if I import, and first I'm going to delete this project and click confirm, and then I'm going to import some other video. So here you can see this is a video that is in a portrait orientation. I'm going to click this plus and add it to the track over here, and then I'm going to click this over here and just choose 16:9, and it's going to be in landscape. And now you can see this video is in landscape. So that's how you make your video in landscape. And now if you export this, it's going to be in a landscape orientation, in plain landscape orientation. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.